This is the plaintiff, Joseph Littlejohn. He says he dated the defendant for 5 years and is now suing her because she took his car when they split up. She ended up writing him a note apologizing for taking it. Told him she'd pay him around tax refund time. And that's the last he's heard from her. He's suing for $4,967, the amount he's owed. This is the defendant, Lindsay Harris. She says she took the car because she was getting calls from people saying he was cheating on her with other girls in the car. Besides, the car was and still is in her name because he had no credit. He still owes her for child support, and to her, everything's now even. She's accused of carjacking an ex.
Joseph Littlejohn?
Yes.
Okay, you're suing your former girlfriend, Lindsay Harris?
Yes.
For $4,967 that you say she owes you because she took back a car you had in her name, and therefore you lost all the money you had invested in it. What happened?
Okay, I had purchased the car June 30th, and I knew the guy at the car spot. So he told me that for my money down, for my name down, it'd be $4,500, which I didn't have. I was saving up my Social Security for it, so I had $35. So my girlfriend of 5 years, I had her do it.
Please.
So it came and it was $34 or $3,500 for her name. So
For the same car?
Yes.
Because her credit is better than yours?
Yes.
So the interest charges would be less?
Yes.
Okay.
So
So you put the car in her name?
Yes.
Now, you've been dating each other for how long?
5 years.
And did you have any children together?
Yes.
How many?
2.
Okay.
Some months go by after that, she get a call from her ex/boyfriend sister, stated that I was riding with girls in the car and everything. So we got into
Riding
a huge...
with other girls?
Yes.
In the car, cheating on her in the car that's in her name? Had you
Yes.
two broken up?
No.
Oh,
Not
you
at
were
that time.
When she gets the call, you're together?
Yes.
Why doesn't she know where you are? I know where my
No.
husband is every minute of the day.
No.
And that's
No.
right. You can all quote me on that. I know where he is. If I want to know where my husband is, I'm going to know where my husband is. Let's just leave it at that.
Mm-hmm.
How is it that she doesn't know where you are and know that that's not true? Or,
No, she wind up knowing the truth.
Oh, that it was true?
No, that it was a lie.
It was not true. Were you stepping out on her?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
So after she found out the truth of everything, it was too late. She
Okay.
had already, after we had that big argument, I woke up the next morning and the police was at the house. And they said, well, we're not going to take you to jail. We're going to just...
Take her to jail for what? For waking up?
No, the car was stolen. She
Wait.
reported it stolen.
You guys break up over what?
It was the next day. It was the next day later when the police arrived at the house.
Okay, you don't live together?
No.
Okay, so you guys break up. What did she do? Call you and tell you, I heard you have women in the car and we're done?
Yes.
And do you tell her it's not true? It's not true?
Yes.
And then the next day you wake up and
The police
what?
is knocking at the door.
And they're saying this car's stolen?
Yes.
And you tell them, no, it's not. I've
This
been
is
paying
my-
the car note. Do you prove it to them? Do you show them?
I had the receipts.
The
I had all
receipts
my-
from having made the payments?
All my car payments, yes.
Okay, so you showed it to them, so they believed you.
Yes, so he still said we still have to take the plates and the registration and everything. So they took it. So I thought
They take
everything
the
was
car?
good. No, they ain't take the car yet. So then 10 minutes later, they knocked back on the door and said, well, she just sold us the title. So we going to have to take the car too because legally it's hers. So they took the car.
Okay.
So I'm thinking she going to keep the car. She wind up not.
What'd she do?
She takes it to the car lot and tell them she don't want it no more.
Okay,
So they repossesses it
right,
and take it.
right.
So at that time, I went back up to the car shop to talk to my friend, and he told me, well, we had already sent the car off.
How many days passed when you went to the dealership?
That was like the next day. So after that, I guess she was having cocktails with her friends, her boyfriend, sister.
So do you ever talk to her about what she did? Does she ever talk to you about it? Okay. So when do you next hear anything from her?
A letter in the mail, in my
And?
mailbox,
And?
stating that she apologized.
Why? What made her to apologize?
Because she found out the truth that I didn't have a girl in the car. The
Okay.
girl was lying
How did she
for her.
find out that truth?
The girl that she was drinking with told her that she wanted her to be with her brother the whole time. So it was all a lie. On me.
Wait. The person who told her you were riding around with women
Yes.
then confesses and tells her, I made it up because I wanted you to get back with
My
your old
brothers.
boyfriend, my brother.
Yes.
Get out of here. Is that story true?
Yes, it is. So if you found out somebody was cheating on you, would you ever tell the police that person stole your car?
Most definitely.
Even if the car wasn't stolen?
Not only would I tell them it's stolen, I would tell them there's drugs in it. That could get it.
Inside the courtroom.
Oh my goodness. I bet you feel tiny, tiny, tiny.
Well, not really, Honor, because in the past, I like
Caught him
Joseph.
stepping out?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, then you don't feel so tiny.
So that's
So
the
it was
reason why
believable.
it was, like, I believed it.
Right.
Because he have done it before.
Did you take the car?
Yes, I did.
Why though? Did you put the car in your name just to get the payments down and because you had better credit and it was really his car?
I put the car in my name because Joseph don't have good credit.
Right.
And I do.
And he was making the payments.
Right, he
Had
was
you
making
paid
it-
1 penny towards that car?
No.
So why did you tell the police to go get the car?
Because it was in my name. And I felt
And-
like if he had girls riding in that car, wasn't nobody going to ride in it.
We call that spite. You did that out of spite then.
Yeah.
Did you tell the police that he stole your car?
Yes. I
So you
reported it
lied. That's
stolen.
what we call filing a false police report, which is actually a criminal offense. So you may end
Well,
up
when
in
I
trouble
asked for
now.
my plates back, Joseph wouldn't give them back to me. So what do you call that, Honor?
Well, that would be the plates would be theft, but not the car. But you weren't satisfied with just the plates. The police had to come back and take the car because you told them the car was stolen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Had he been making payments on the car? Mm-hmm. So there was he had never skipped a payment?
Nope.
Okay, go on.
And the guy from the car place had sent one of his friends over the tow truck to get the car towed. And they asked me did I want the car, and I told them no, I didn't want the car. And they didn't tell me anything either.
Did you sign something for them to take the car?
Nope. All I did was just turned over the title and the
You
keys.
did turn over the title. Did you sign the title? Mm-hmm. Right. Okay. So you signed the title over to them, so they're like, jackpot.
Right.
We got us another car. Did you get any money for the car?
Nope. Didn't get no money.
Why did you turn in the car? Because you couldn't afford the payments yourself and you figured he wouldn't pay?
Right.
I'm curious about something. When you find out that the reason you broke up with your boyfriend, the father of your 2 children, was a false reason that was completely made up, didn't you want to go back with him?
I did, but I don't know. Joseph is Joseph. He's a ladies' man, so no.
Okay, Joseph, the ladies' man. You had no interest in repairing things with her.
Not really.
Okay.
'Cause
So now he wants his money. Where did he come up with these figures? $3,500 is what you put down.
Yes.
$1,000 is what?
From my car note, from the car note I was paying.
Because you paid 2 months or something?
No, I paid almost like 9 months.
May I see the, I'm sorry, may I see the 9 months?
Yes.
The car was purchased when?
June 30th.
And you had it until when?
I think January 18th is when she came and got it.
Okay, that's less than 7 months, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
It was like
These are all
you
different
pay-
amounts of money orders.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Honor. Can I
Just a
say-
second, ma'am.
Okay.
So how much in total did you pay to the car company in notes? $1,000 other dollars, which
Yes.
is here?
Yes.
Okay. Was there a specific amount that your car notes were every month?
It was
How
was
come
th-
you, go ahead.
It was 310.
But you didn't pay the $310?
No,
Right.
because they give you a grace period. So I
Did
would
they give
pay-
you a 6-month grace, 7-month grace period?
No, they give you like 15 days, I think. So I paid like 153, and then I would pay another 153. I was never late. And
I
would-
only have 6 money orders, and there's 7 months.
I couldn't find the rest of them. I
Do
couldn't
you know
find
whether he was
everything.
current or whether he was behind?
No, he was paying all his car notes on time because I
Okay.
was going to make the payments for him, and I would give him the money order receipts.
Here's what we're gonna do. You don't get the insurance back, you use that up. That's $4,500 that you have invested in the car. But you got the use of the car for 7 months, and that's worth something, okay?
Yes.
Plus, I know from both of you that you paid more than what you have proof of. So we're gonna do a little of what, Douglas?
A little rough justice,
Yeah,
Your Honor.
because you guys have left me with nothing to do my job with. So I'm just going to try to figure this out and have some rough deduction for the amount that you were able to use the car. And what I'm going to order is that she pay you $3,500, okay? Because you really did jump the gun. The deal you have with him, the contract you have with him is I'll put it in my name, you make the payments. And he was doing that. So you breached the contract. If he rides around with other girls, that's not a breach of the contract. It stinks. Turns out it wasn't true. but it would stink, but it's not a breach of the contract. So now it costs you $3,500, verdict for the plaintiff.
Thank you, Judge.
So the verdict is in. It's for the plaintiff, the defendant right here. What's your reaction to this verdict?
Well, next time he probably learn his lesson not to put a car in another girl's name again.
You think you taught him a lesson?
Yep.
What about the relationship between the two of you? You still have feelings for him?
No, not no more. No.
That doesn't sound very convincing.
No, I don't have feelings for him.
Really? I
Yeah.
mean, you two have been back and forth and everything. You sure? You done with him? He's not going to hear from you anymore?
Only about his kids. That's about it.
I mean, really?
Really.
Okay. All right. All right, right down there.
That's your police report. All right.
Satisfied how this thing is finally winding up?
Yes, yes.
What about the connection between you and her and the two kids?
I'm gonna still see my kids. I'm gonna have to go to court for that, but other than that, I'm done.
And what went through your mind when you heard these stories that she had about you having an affair in the car?
I knew they was lies. I wanted to prove her wrong, but I didn't have enough time.
All right. Let's get to Harvey.
So the theory on why the plaintiff had to pay for the use of the car, it's legally called unjust enrichment. There may not be a contract, but it's simply unfair to give somebody use of something and not make that person pay.